Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time run faster. Our perception of time is incredibly flexible, often speeding up or slowing down based on our engagement and focus. When you are deeply engrossed in an activity, hours can feel like minutes. This phenomenon is not magic, but a psychological trick your brain plays. By understanding and applying a few simple techniques, you can effectively alter your experience of time. To make time seem to fly, actively engage your mind. Dive into hobbies that truly captivate you, like solving complex puzzles or creating art. Learning a new skill, such as playing an instrument or coding, demands intense focus, making hours vanish. Even mundane tasks can feel quicker if you approach them with a problem-solving mindset or break them into smaller, achievable segments. This keeps your brain stimulated and less aware of the clock. Your environment plays a significant role in how you perceive time. Seek out new experiences and change your surroundings regularly. Novelty keeps your brain active and prevents boredom, which can make time drag. Spending quality time with friends or family who stimulate your mind and bring joy also helps. Furthermore, minimizing distractions allows you to fully immerse yourself in tasks, making moments pass more quickly. Cultivating a positive mindset is crucial for altering time perception. Practicing mindfulness helps you appreciate the present, making moments feel richer and less drawn out. Setting and achieving small, realistic goals provides a sense of accomplishment and forward momentum, which can make your days feel more productive and faster-paced. And speaking of making things easier, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description for a link to this amazing robot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.